How to use the new Stitch feature on TikTok. Okay, first we're going to go into the TikTok app, and then you'll search for the video that you like to stitch. I'm going to be using this one. You'll click on share, and there you'll see the option pop up to stitch video. By the way, stitching meaning you'll get a part of the video, and then you can edit that part and add on your part also. You can see right there, this is the little clip that I'm going to use. You're going to click on next, and then you're going to record the section that you would like to use in the video. Record yourself. It's processing, and there you'll see the option come up to record, and you simply click on the camera, hold it down, and record your 15-second clip. And that's it. And then you touch the sticky, and that's it. And then you'll click on next and post it. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.